Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to charge Samsung Galaxy A35 and A55. So here is my Galaxy A35 and also is the same for A55, and here I have two power adapters. The first one is a 15 watts power adapter original from Samsung, and the second one is 25 watts power adapter also original from Samsung. I don't have the 45 watts power adapter because Galaxy A45 and A55 supports maximum 25 watts. And here I have a little tool, and with this one I will measure the real power for these two power adapters. Now I look inside the box, and as you know, we don't have a power adapter inside this box, but we have a charging cable, and we need it because these two power adapters doesn't have. And the charging cable, it's here. We have a white one. And now I will test the first one, the 15 watts power adapter. And first I will connect the charging cable to my charger, and I will plug it in. And now I will connect this little tool. Now I will go to my phone, and I will go to settings to see if the fast charging is enabled. And for that just enter to battery, and now go down, and we have here charging settings. Here, as you can see, fast charging is enabled. And now I will exit, and I will connect the 15 watts power adapter, and it's charging. And now let's see the real power, and we have here 13, almost 14 watts, and this is good. And now let's go to settings, and I will go back to battery, and let's see the time until full, and we have 1 hour and 14 minutes until the charging is complete. And now I will disconnect this charger, and let's test the second one. I will put it away, and now I will connect the 25 watts power adapter. And let's connect to my phone. It's charging, and now let's see the real power. And we have here 20, 22, 23 watts. Okay, almost 24 watts. So this is better. And now let's go to the battery, and we have 1 hour and 15 minutes until full. So this is a better choice if you want to charge your phone faster. Okay. So we have two options to charge this phone. Both are good, the 15 watts and the 25 watts power adapter. This one is a better choice if you want to charge your phone faster. You will find the links to these two power adapters in the video description and also in the comment area. I hope also this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.